This problem is a exponential equation and we have to solve for x. So we have 9 raised to the power x minus 6 raised to the power x, and this is equals to 4 raised to the power x. And we have to find value of x. That is, what is the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Now how we will solve this problem? What we can do is, we can divide throughout this equation by right side. So on the right hand side we have 4 raised to the power x. So let us divide throughout by 4 raised to the power x. And this is also 4 raised to the power x. Now this 4 raised to the power x divided by 4 raised to the power x, this will be 1. So we can rewrite 9 raised to the power x divided by 4 raised to the power x minus 6 raised to the power x divided by 4 raised to the power x is equals to 1. Now if you remember, there is a rule of exponent, that is a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. Then I can write a by b raised to the power m. So if I use this rule, then I can write 9 by 4 raised to the power x minus 6 by 4 raised to the power x. And this is equals to 1. So now 9 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2 whole square. So this is 3 square and this is 2 square. So using this rule I can simply write this is 3 by 2 whole square. And then you have a power x, overall power, minus 6 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2. And this power x is equals to 1. Now we have another rule of exponent, that is a raised to the power m and raised to the power whole m, whole n, let us say n. Then we can write a raised to the power m times n, and this can also be rewritten as a raised to the power n whole raised to the power m. So this rule we can apply here. So now this is a raised to the power m and whole n. So this will simply become a raised to the power mn. So we can write 3 by 2 raised to the power 2x. And this minus 3 by 2 raised to the power x. And this is equals to 1. But now I can further rewrite a raised to the power mn is equals to a raised to the power n and then whole power m. So if I use this rule, I can rewrite, that is 3 by 2 raised to the power x and the whole power 2 minus 3 by 2 raised to the power x is equals to 1. Or if I take 1 this side, then I will have minus 1 is equals to 0. Now you see 3 by 2 raised to the power x here I have and here I also have. So I can do a substitution. So let us substitute t is equals to 3 by 2 raised to the power x. Now with this substitution I can rewrite this expression, that is t square minus t minus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. And you remember, if we have ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, that is a quadratic equation, root of this equation is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, this divided by 2a. Now in this question we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1 and c is equals to again minus 1. So basically t will be minus b, that is minus minus plus, plus minus b square, that is minus 1 square, minus 4 times 1 times c, c is minus 1, and this divided by 2 times 1. So this will be t is equals to plus 1 plus minus, this is root 5, this divided by 2. And t is what? T is 3 by 2 raised to the power x. So now I can say 3 by 2 raised to the power x is equals to plus 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. So there are two values. One case I can say 3 by 2 raised to the power x is equals to 1 plus root 5 by 2, and in another case I can say 3 by 2 raised to the power x is equals to 1 minus root 5 by 2. But this value is a negative value. So this is a negative value. But this is a positive value. So this is positive. For any x, this will be a positive value. So a negative number, a positive number cannot be equal. This means this is not a solution. So this solution is not accepted. So any solution I will get from this equation only will be accepted. Now I have to solve for x. So what I will do is I will take log both sides. So log of 3 by 2 raised to the power x is equals to log of, this becomes root 5 plus 1 by 2. And then if you remember rules of log, that is log of a raised to the power m is simply m log a. So I can write x log 3 by 2 is equals to log root 5 plus 1 by 2. So from here I can say x is equals to, so basically x is equals to log of root 5 plus 1 by 2, and this divided by log 3 by 2. So if you plug all this value, then this value will be around 1.1868. Now we can also verify whether this satisfies the original equation or not. That is always a good idea. So let us verify. So original equation we have, that is 9 raised to the power x minus 6 raised to the power x is equals to 4 raised to the power x. That is 9 raised to the power 1.1868 minus 6 raised to the power 1.1868 is equals to 4 raised to the power 1.1868. Now if you calculate this value using the calculator, you will find left hand side it comes to be 5.1822, and the right hand side we will have 5.1823, which is approximately equal. It's not exactly equal because this term we have basically rounded, and that's why these two terms are approximately equal. So this means that is 1.1868 is a solution of this equation, that is value of x. And in this case we have only one solution. The other solution that is coming from this root is not possible because this is a negative term which cannot be equal to this term. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.